I'm Peter. Welcome to PD Tech for another professional guide.
And I'm Duan. Efficiency is the backbone of any successful trade. Let's look at how to master your digital office today.
In this video, we teach you how to copy an invoice in Xero. To copy an existing invoice, select Sales, then click Invoices. You can copy invoices with any status to a new draft invoice. Choose a status tab. Use the Search button, or find the invoice in the All tab. Then, click the Menu icon and select Copy to Draft Invoice. Then, click Copy. Xero creates a new draft invoice with the details from the original invoice. Review and make any necessary changes to the invoice. Click Save and Close to finalize the invoice later, or click Approve and Email to send the invoice from Xero. Combine multiple invoices into one new invoice. You can copy invoices from the draft, awaiting approval, awaiting payment, or paid tabs, but not the repeating or all tabs. From the Invoices page, select the status of the invoices you want to copy. In this example, we'll choose Paid. Select the checkbox next to each invoice you want to copy to your new invoice. If invoice reminders are on, you'll see a More button where you'll find a Copy To option. If invoice reminders are off, click Copy To. You can copy invoices to a new invoice, quote, purchase order, or bill. Select which transaction type you'd like to copy and merge the invoice to. Let's keep Invoice selected. If the invoice is to an existing customer, enter the customer name in the empty field and select them from the list of existing contacts. This is optional at this stage, but if you can complete it now, it pre-fills the contact field in the invoice. Click Copy and Merge to copy your existing invoices into one new invoice. Review and update the details as needed, then click Save and Close, or Approve and Email. Save time raising new invoices with similar details to existing invoices, using the Copy feature in Xero.